Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the SCART connection of single phase transformers. Here to obtain the SCART connection we are using two single phase transformers and we are converting the three phase supply into two phase supply by using the two single phase transformers. In this experiment we are using voltmeter and variac. Here we are using voltmeters, 4 voltmeters. 3 belongs to 0 to 300 volts and 1 will be 0 to 600, and one 3 phase variac will be used that rated up to 0 to 470 volts or 415 volts. Here it is the circuit diagram of SCOUT connection of single phase transformer. It is the 3 phase AC supply as input, 3 RYB. RYB will be given to the input for the 3 phase variac, and from the output of 3 phase variac we are taking the two wires across the R terminal. One will be connected to voltmeter and one will be connected to the 0 of the TZ transformer, and from the Y we are taking one wire that will be connected across the voltmeter negative terminal and 0 of the main transformer, and from the B terminal of the 3 phase variac it will be connected to the 100% of the main transformer. Here the two single phase transformers are belongs to 2 kVA and 220 volts. So here we can connect the connections as per the circuit diagram. Here 100% means 220 volts will be connected across the B terminal, and on the TZ transformer on the secondary side 0 will be connected to the another voltmeter common point, and another wire will be connected to the common point of another voltmeter, and voltmeter second terminal of the VT will be connected to the 230 and 0 common point, and one connection will be exist between the 0 volts and V voltmeter of the main transformer, and we are connecting one voltmeter. Here the voltmeter is connected between the two phases, and this will be used to measure the line voltage of the three phase supply. Here the VT will be used to measure the voltage of single phase supply, and here this VM is nothing but main transformer voltage. This voltmeter measures the main transformer voltage, that is single phase voltage. Here two voltmeters are measures the two single phases supply, and here the V0 is the output voltage. It is measured the three phase voltage. That's why we are connecting the 0 to 600 volts voltmeter in the circuit. So now as per this circuit we are giving the connections for the meters. These are the connections for the SCOT connection of the two single phase transformers. So you have to give the connections as per the circuit diagram. Here these are the RYB terminals of the three phase AC supply that will be given to the input of variac. Here this is the input for the three phase variac. From the output we are taking three wires. One wire will be connected to the voltmeter and another wire will be connected to the another voltmeter, and from the voltmeter second terminal we are giving the connection across the 0% of main transformer. See, here we are having two transformers. This transformer is called as TZ transformer and this transformer is called as main transformer. Here from the voltage from the voltmeter we are giving the connection across the main transformer 0% of primary, and from the primary side on main transformer 50% will be connected to the TZ transformer 86%, and from the 100% of the TZ transformer will be connected to one secondary of 0% of main transformer, and one wire will be connected across the another voltmeter second terminal, and next we will take another wire that will be connected between the voltmeter and 0% of the secondary of main transformer. And now from the main transformer from the 100% we are taking two wires. One wire will be connected to the voltmeter second terminal and one wire will be connected to the another voltmeter. So these two measures the voltages of main and TZ transformers, and this voltage will be measures the three phase AC supply. Now I am going to start the experiment by closing the TPST switch. In the SCOT connection we have to vary the variac gradually by increasing the voltage. So now step by step by applying the voltage on the transformers we are note down the readings. Here at 60 volts At 60 volts, note down the readings of 3 voltmeters. One is 50 and another one is 20, and this shows the 60. And next I am increasing the voltage up to 80 volts. At this 80 volts, note down the values of teaser transformer, main transformer, and as well as output voltage VT, VM and V0. Again I am increasing the voltage up to 100 volts. Okay, at 100 volts, note down the value of VT, it shows the 89, and note down the value of main transformer, that shows the 90, and here note down the value of V0, it shows the 100. Next again I am increasing the voltage up to 120 volts, and again by increasing the voltage step by step you can note down the readings up to rated voltage. The rated voltage of the single phase transformer is 220 volts. Same, gradually 160. At 160 again you note down the values. At 180 again you note down the values of VT, VM and V0. So you can apply the voltage up to rated voltage on the single phase transformer. Now note down the values, and I am reducing the, now I am varying the variac to 0 position. The voltage reaches to 0, and open the TPST switch. So by using these values you can draw the graph. Do the calculations as per your observation. Thank you.